everyone, my name is Cindy Garcia and today I will be giving you guys a screencast presentation on how to look up a scholarly peer-reviewed journal for Frederick Winslow Taylor. So first you'll start off at the calbaptist.edu website. You're going to go onto Academics and then click on Library. Begin by typing in Frederick Taylor's name, Frederick Winslow Taylor. To find the article that I found interesting, I went ahead and added in this additional field, scientific management. And it's very important that on the left box here you mark scholarly peer-reviewed journal, and it should update it for you there. My article is actually on page 2. Go ahead and click page 2 here. It's going to be article number 30. You click on this article. It's called 100 Years After the Principles of Scientific Management, Frederick Taylor's Life and Impact on the Field of Human Performance and Technology. So what I did is I went ahead and clicked on the PDF full text on the left. It pops it up here, and then you're able to read through the whole article. But what I like to do is I like to print it out. That way I can highlight anything important that stands out to me. So real briefly, I wanted to point out a few things that I found interesting about this article. So here on page 30, it states that he believed that the only way to motivate employees to work more efficiently was through monetary incentives. And then further down here in this chapter, it talks about how even though he showed concern for workers' well-being throughout his work, he did expose an attitude that was often biased against workers. For example, he wrote, "In the majority of cases, man deliberately plans to do as little as he safely can to turn out far less work than he is well able to do. His directions were geared towards the uneducated." So this article is also really interesting because it talks about the impacts of Taylor's work in the United States. It also talks about international impact in Taylor's work, post-World War II influence on human performance technology, and it just has a lot of interesting information regarding the scientific management approach. So I hope I was able to help you guys navigate through the CBU library on how to look up a scholarly peer-reviewed journal for Frederick Taylor. Thank you guys.